Welcome to UPS Supply Chain Symphony, the self-service platform that provides access to all your warehouse, transportation, and supply chain operations data. Getting started is simple. If you're a first-time user, go to ups.com and create a ups.com login. If you already have a ups.com account, go directly to the UPS Supply Chain Symphony portal. Submit your Symphony access request, and once approved, log in with your ups.com credentials. UPS Supply Chain Symphony lets you efficiently manage your global network end-to-end. Now let's see how Symphony can help streamline your supply chain operations. From the main dashboard, get an overview of your shipments and monitor important shipment and warehouse activity. Mark essential cards as favorites for quick access. Generate on-demand reports to drive well-informed business decisions. From any screen, use a powerful search tool to find pertinent data from across your network. Get the precise information you need when you need it. Jump to interactive dashboards and detailed data with one click. Customize your dashboard by arranging or hiding cards. Even create a quote or shipment right from your main dashboard. Plus, upload, edit, and share supporting documents related to shipments and processing. Of course, our team is always here to support you with feature guides, on-demand walkthroughs, and easy access to file a claim or deal with operational or technical issues. Your feedback is always valuable, so please share it anytime. That's UPS Supply Chain Symphony, supply chain orchestration at your fingertips.